Hello guys, my name is Mr. J from WordHero, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to write your freelancer profile. This video goes to all of the freelancers out there. If you are having a struggle writing your freelancer profile, then this one is for you. So for this example, we're going to try and make a Fiverr profile using only the tools available to us here on WordHero. But first, of course, you need to have a WordHero account. So go down to the link in the description. You should be able to see our website there. Sign in, log in, and you should be able to see our homepage right here. Now you can do this however you want, but for this specific example, I'm going to use the WordHero chatbot first. The chatbot is very powerful here. All you need to do is give it a prompt or say something to it, make it do something, and it will actually just reply to you whatever you want it to do. I'll give you an example here. I already have a prompt ready. So let's say that I want the bot to suggest a Fiverr gig title that starts with "I will." And what I do is I write blogs and articles. And we have some details here saying that each suggestion should not exceed 80 characters so that it won't be very long. So you can just write in anything here, just change it however you want, but you should be able to write something here on the text box and click on send. Okay, there you go. So before we continue, we have a separate video for our WordHero chatbot. If you want to check that out, the link is going to be in the description. But as you can see here, we have 10 results, and all of which is less than 80 characters. So it's basically just giving me a title for my gig. So I like the second one here. It says, "I will write SEO optimized articles." You can click this to copy and paste it on the editor. Or what you can also do is just click this send to editor button, click on open doc or open document, and there you go. So it basically writes down every prompt and every reply using the WordHero chat. I only want to use the second one. I will write SEO optimized articles. There you go. So you can go ahead and delete the other ones, and let's get a move on writing our profile. For this one, we are going to use a lot of writing tools, so it's much easier to just populate this list here. We have more than 70 plus tools here at your disposal. But for the first one, I want to write about this gig. Okay, so for writing about this gig, I want to have an opener. Every sales page or every profile has an opener. So luckily here on WordHero, we have just the tool for that. So if you search opener here, we have a tool called sales page opener. This basically just creates an opener for you based on the information that you added. So let's say my name is James. I am a freelancer and I write SEO blog articles. So let's just write that there. You can add a tone if you want, but this is very optional. If you don't want the bot to write in a specific tone, then you can just leave it as blank. If you're done with your product description or your service, just click on the big blue button and watch as the AI writes your opener for you. Okay, there you go. So we have two examples here. Just read this both and choose whatever you want. But for the example, let's say I want to use the first one. For you to easily copy this to the editor, just make sure that your cursor is where you want it to be copied, and then just click this button. There you go. So it is now copied. So edit it however you want. So basically with just one or two clicks of a button, you have a freelancer profile opener. We also want to have maybe guarantees. If somebody wants to hire you as a freelancer, what are your guarantees? Are you going to guarantee 100% satisfaction, money back guarantee, or whatever? We also have a tool for that. We have a tool called sales page guarantees. Let's try to make a guarantee for our profile. Okay, and as you may notice, the input that we just wrote still remains the same. You don't have to write in the same product description over and over again. Just automatically click on the write for me button. Okay, there you go. So we have two guarantees here. Again, just read them both and choose whichever you want. But for the sake of this example, I might choose the first one. Click this button. There you go. Money back guaranteed, results in 30 days. Okay, you can edit this however you want if you think 30 days is very long or short. But there you go. Just a few clicks. We have a 148 words freelancer profile ready for you to use. We might want to add some details about yourself. So let's put about the seller. we have two options for this one actually. So we're basically trying to create a bio. Now we have an option for like a LinkedIn type of bio, and we also have an option for like a more casual social media type of bio. So if you search for bio in the tool search here, as you can see, we have a personal LinkedIn bio and a social media bio. So since we're creating a freelancer profile, I think we need to use the personal LinkedIn bio to make it a little bit more professional. So once you click on this, double check it, make sure you have all the details here. Once you're done, click on write for me, and let's see what WordHero has for us. Okay, there you go. So it outputted two results here. Give them both a read and choose whichever you want. Let's say I'm going to use the second one because it has two paragraphs. There you go. So now you have a story about yourself. Now, another thing that you may want to add are FAQs. For FAQs, we have a very specific tool for that as well. So just search in FAQ and there you have it. Okay, now for this tool, I think we don't need to use the first information here, which is my name. So we can delete this one. All we need to do is write about the website. I write SEO blogs and articles. Maybe let's add a few details here at an affordable price. So it's going to write FAQs about your website now. Just click on the big blue button. There you go. So we have questions for your freelancer profile. So again, choose which one you want as a question. You can use multiple FAQs. You can even add up to 10 or 20, whatever. But for this example, I'm going to use just the 3 of these ones. You can also create your own answers, of course. This is very personal. So just go ahead and do that on your own. Maybe you have different packages. Basic, a standard, or premium. So for this one, I think we can use the chat feature for this one. Fun fact about WordHero, if you don't find a tool that you can use for a specific task, you can just use the WordHero chat. So let's go ahead and do that. What you can do is just go and click the chat here. I have a prompt here ready for us to use again. So for my packages, I have 3. Let's just read it first. So I have 3 packages for my Fiverr gig. It's a basic, standard, and premium package. So we are going to ask WordHero to write 1 sentence description for each of these packages. So you can also add in the details of what you do, like this one. I write SEO blogs and articles. Of course, it needs that information. Once you're done with this, click on send, and there you go. So we have the 3 packages here: basic package, standard, and premium, and it has descriptions now. There you go. Click this to copy because we want to paste it on our WordHero editor. Once you go to the editor, the document that we just wrote, don't worry, it's gone for now, but we can open it using this button here, open a document, and here you go. So it automatically saves what you are writing. Once again, just go and paste the results here. There you have it. So basically, this is just all you need to write your basic freelancer profile. Of course, there are over 70 plus tools that you can use here. Just experiment on all of these tools. Just see which one you can use based on the services you are offering or the product that you're selling. But for the purposes of this video, you already have a Fiverr freelancer profile just by using all of the tools available for you here on WordHero. Now, I think that definitely deserves a thumbs up. Of course, if you want to suggest something, or if you want to add a workflow or updates or a specific tool that you want to add, feel free to comment it down below in the comment section of this video. But I think that is all for this video, guys. Of course, if you don't want to miss any other updates or new tools or any videos that we're creating, feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell. If you want to follow us in all of our social media, all of the links will be down in the description below. Of course, our website will be down there as well. You are free to create a WordHero account whenever you want. But until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.